So hello guys, welcome to Unboxing Galaxy, and I am here with another video of class 7th DLP of LN. So we have to unbox it and review it, how the books are given and which type of books is given. This is the first foundation set, so let's go. So we had cut the packaging. Now this is the package, and all this is the package of foundation 1. It is set 1 for class 7. So first I eat. All the books are. So this is the checklist. This is foundation 1 set, and we have got 7 books in this, as biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics 1, mathematics 2, SST and English. All have one module, only mathematics have 2 modules. So we will take out the books. So here it is the foundation 1 social science for class 7th, and now this is for class 6, sorry, for 7. This is English, and here all the, this is for only grammar. Now this is mathematics 2 for class 7th. This is mathematics 1 for class 7th. We will check out the topics briefly, and this is the physics. This is the biology module. And the last one is chemistry module. So we will see them separately. So first of all, this is chemistry module 1. In this, 2 chapters are given: fiber and fabrics, acid, bases and salts. This is the first chapter. It is totally based on NCERT. First the theory is given, and some question are active chemistry, in which the practicals are given, which have to be done for school. Topics question are given as check your concept, and their answer will be given further. Then here are the NCERT solution, and then LN exercise. There are 2 exercises. First of all is objective, and second is subjective. This is biology module. In this, 4 chapters are given. The process are same: first theory, then NCERT exercises, then LN exercises. This is physics module. 3 chapters are given, and here some extra exercises are given. This is theory. The in-text questions are also given. Some concepts which are critical to understand are given in this section, that is building concept, and same as you check your concept question. Then it is NCERT solution, then it is exercise, objective, and the next subjective. And here numerical problems are also given. Also activity based question. Now this is the foundation 1 mathematics. 4 chapters are given in it, same as the theory. Then NCERT questions. Then exercises. This is the second module of mathematics, and this also 4 chapters are given. This is English. For class 6 to 8, only grammar section is given in ALN modules. In 9th and 10th ALN modules, you will be given with literature also, NCERT literature, question answer, and the detailed chapter view and summaries. Here are the grammar. First of all, you have all the grammar recap, then exercise, and here are the first chapter, and then exercise, and then answer. Same as this, social science. 14 chapters are given in it. History, civics, and geography are all intermingled in this single book. All the theory, then exercises, objective exercises and subjective exercises, and then the NCERT question with solution. So this is for today's video, and we will unbox the next set of, that is advanced module set, in the next upcoming video. So for that, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.